Welcome back, guys. I'm so excited to share these fun new recipes with all our beverage enhancers that have come out, so be sure to subscribe so you can get all the latest videos. First, I just wanted to share with you how excited I am about using my larger mason jar this time. Those smaller ones just didn't cut it, and I decided to use it as storage for all the enhancers. So first up, we're going to use the herbal tea concentrate, which is amazing because it's fat burning, it boosts your energy, tons of antioxidants. The raspberry flavor was honestly one of the first flavors I tried. You're going to put a half a teaspoon into your cup. Then you're going to squirt some aloe. Aloe is one of my favorite. It's a digestive health aid. This is mango, and thanks to Libby, she taught me how to just poke a hole in that little foil thing, and this way you could squirt it right in. So I just give it 2 or 3 squirts, and that, by the way, is the pint size. Next up is our collagen. You guys, all by itself, it tastes amazing, like strawberry lemonade, but we're mixing it in today's love potion, and I'm just putting 1 scoop in. But it is formulated with visceral collagen, which has been tested to support skin's elasticity, reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Just an amazing product. So now I'm just stirring it up. I feel like I need a little beverage whisker. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. And then we're going to pack the jar with ice. Now, I've shared this before. I wish I had the crushed ice versus cubed, but it's all right. Next up, we're going to add our beverage enhancers, and we're going to do a layering effect. I just noticed that I had the wrong size teaspoon. This recipe calls for a half teaspoon of the watermelon beverage mix and a half teaspoon of strawberry beverage mix. Also, be sure to wipe it off and make sure it's completely dry. You don't want anything caking later on. So go ahead and just, with a few ounces of water, stir in that half a teaspoon of watermelon, and then you're going to add it to your jar. Now, because I have a bigger jar now, I'm also adding more water, which is awesome. You guys can play around with the ratios. Some of you might like it a little stronger, some of you might like it with a little bit more water than these enhancers. So they are potent, I'll give them that. So you can make it as strong or as weak as you like. Really, it's up to you. And all these flavor combinations, you guys can play around with that as well. Next up is our strawberry, and this is our final flavor that we're going to top it off with. Again, just make sure you give it a good stir. And then I typically I'm not able to fit it all in. So I usually sip some and then I just dump the rest in after I've taken a couple drinks. But there you go, the love potion. It's delicious. And here are the products again. Absolutely amazing. Oh, by the way, the halls were established in 2003. We are celebrating our 18th anniversary this week. This is my love potion.